Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Trust Wallet. Access your crypto wallet step by step clearly. First, make sure you are using the official Trust Wallet app on your phone. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android and search for Trust Wallet. Confirm the publisher is Trust Wallet and check reviews to avoid fake apps. Install the app and wait until the download is fully completed. Launch Trust Wallet by tapping the app icon on your home screen. On the welcome screen, choose the option that says you already have a wallet. Tap Import or I already have a wallet, depending on your app version. Select the wallet type you want to restore, usually multi-coin wallet. Prepare your recovery phrase, which is the 12-word or 24-word secret phrase you saved earlier. Make sure no one can see your screen and never share this phrase with anyone. Type each word of the recovery phrase in the exact order shown on your backup. Use only lowercase letters and single spaces between words if the app requires it. Double-check spelling because one wrong letter can prevent access. Tap Import or Restore to log in and load your wallet addresses. Wait a few seconds while Trust Wallet syncs and your balances appear. If you set an app passcode before, enter it when prompted to unlock the wallet. If your phone supports it, enable Face ID or fingerprint for faster and safer access. Go to Settings inside Trust Wallet and turn on App Lock for extra protection. Set a strong passcode that is different from your phone unlock code if possible. Never enter your recovery phrase on any website, message, or support chat. If you are asked to verify your wallet with your recovery phrase, it is a scam. To confirm you are logged in correctly, open the Wallet tab and check your coins list. If a coin is missing, tap the filter icon and enable the token manually. For tokens on specific networks, make sure the correct network is selected in the token settings. If your balance still looks wrong, refresh the app and check your public address on a block explorer. If you created multiple wallets, use the wallet selector to switch to the correct one. If you can't access your wallet, recheck the phrase order and spacing, then try again carefully. Store your recovery phrase offline in a secure place because it is the only true login key. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more clear crypto tutorials. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.